Okay, let's have a look at exercise 3.34. 3.34 contains many steps. Let's do it one by one. First, create a query. And the requirement of the query is that it should show all the products ordered through salesperson from UK and show the name of the product and the product ID. So we know we need to go to the table product, have the product and product ID, and we also need to have the salesperson. That's probably in the table salesperson. Okay, and because we need to define the country, we also need the field country. That's it for now. Let's continue and change the name to query products sales UK. Finish. We go directly to the design view because we haven't write any criteria yet. So the country should be UK, but to be safe, we need to go back to the salesperson table to see how the UK was written. Just UK. Yeah, it could be the UK or United Kingdom. Yeah, so it's always dot in between. So it's very important to check again how the criteria should be written. So the country is UK. And the name of the product should be shown and the product ID should be shown. It didn't mention we should deselect the show box for these two, but we just deselect them to let you know it's possible that you can see the impact of the results. Okay, no further criteria. Let's run it by changing the view. We have all the products with the product ID that a salesperson from UK has ordered. And we don't see salesperson here because we set in the design view to deselect them. We can select them again for now and move on to the next step, step C. In the design view, we go ahead and explore this button called Property Sheet. This is new. There's nothing here unless you select the query again. Then you have the general settings. And as instructed, we should change the unique values to yes. Let's just select yes. Okay, and close it, run it again. It's 230 records. Did you notice anything different? I'm not sure. Let's change it back to see if we select no. Do we end up with 230 records or not? No, 577. So it does make a huge difference. So if the record is not unique, it will be excluded from the results if we select yes for the unique value property. So that's a step C. We have done that. So let's move on to step D. Run the query again and see the number of products ordered through UK salesperson. That's what we just compared. And step E, we will find everything else that's not ordered from a UK salesperson, and we will try another function that we haven't used so far. So let's first save this query. Yes. and then create another query using find unmatched query wizard. Normally we just use simple query wizard, that's how we create a query, but find unmatched query wizard will allow you to find everything that a query did not cover. Let's select OK. So we want to find in the products table that everything not matched comparing to this query. So you can choose from tables or queries. In this case, we go to queries and we have sales UK. So after clicking on next, we will have an overview of all the records that is not matching the query sales UK. That means ordered through a salesperson, not from the UK. We still want all the fields, yes. Let's change query's name. I didn't mention we need to select a certain name. I just choose not UK. Finish. Oh, we only have one record. That's unrealistic, but that's what the system gives us. So I guess the UK salespeople are doing a quite good job in this case. This is exercise 3.34. I'll see you in the next video.